Brewing for Bozzos! Like to brew from those who haven't got a clue.
Welcome back to Brewing for Bozzos, the channel where two inept brewers teach you about brewing basics in the hope that they'll teach you something and learn something about brewing themselves along the way. As my friends have said to me on several occasions, the brewing that I have covered in all previous videos is a bit more advanced than a complete novice would expect to cover. So in this video, we are going to go right back to the simplest way of creating beer, with a kit. You can buy many different beer kits online and through brewing shops, but for simplicity and ease, I am going to show you Cooper's beer kits out of Australia. These are easy to get hold of and they provide everything that you will need to get started. On Amazon, they sell a full kit consisting of fermenter, a bottling wand, this is in place of a siphon, a stack of bottles, a hydrometer, a large plastic spoon, and then all your ingredients. You get a tin of Marmite, not really, it's malt extract, but it doesn't half look like it when you get the lid off. A box of Brew Enhancer number 2, don't ask me what the difference is between 1 and 2, I have no idea. And then your carbonation drops so that it's fizzy. That way you don't get made fun of by Europeans. And finally, a small packet of yeast. Now, I haven't gone for this, for the obvious reason that I've already got half the kit. So I've gone for the basic lager kit, Brew Enhancer 2, and carbonation drops. What it doesn't come with is any form of sterilization, so you'll need to buy some of that, but it's not that expensive. You can use boiling water, but that only takes you so far, and I would not use that on the bottles. Now, to cover my own arse, I'll repeat that last bit. Do not use boiling water on plastic bottles. It also doesn't come with Campden tablets, so you'll need to get these to clear out any bacteria in the brew that could destroy it before you even get going. Now, after sterilizing your fermenter and all equipment you're going to use, as well as chucking water all over the kitchen and causing your missus to give you a bollocking, you will need to cut the lid off your tin to expose the malt extract. Pour that into your fermenter and try to scrape out the remnants. Be careful not to drop your spoon like I did. Go easy on me, you are watching Brewing for Bozzos after all. Then use boiling water to clean out any sticky bits left. Also, tie your hair up, unlike me. As the old saying goes, do as I tell you, not as I do. Then add your Brew Enhancer 2. Mine came out like a house brick, and I had to beat it into submission before it would play ball. Using boiling water, I dissolved the house brick into the Marmite, and then added cold water until it came up to the 27 litre mark. We then took a reading with the hydrometer, which came out to 1.030. This is our original gravity, and will go towards us getting an alcohol reading at the end. This was then poured back in. We then added 5 Campden tablets to sterilise the wort, having a bit of fun in the process. We then covered it up and helped ourselves to a mead from the West Country Meadery, which was absolutely delicious, but strong enough to turn your missus into a Disney princess. After 24 hours of letting the wort sterilise, you can then cut the top off your yeast and then sprinkle it over the top of the liquid. You'll then leave it for 1 week before bottling, with 1 carbonation drop per bottle if you're using the plastic bottles, or 2 if using glass. That's all from us here at Brewing for Bozzos, but before we leave you, a brief update on our pig poker brew from last time. Our beer turned out really well, and has been well received by friends and family. Just ask Lee.
Foam tastes good. Oh yeah, it's that. Oh. Right. Oh, that tastes good. Fucking hell, that tastes premium, that. It's a bit like that. Oh, ready? It's gassy as fuck. But you know what? Oh, that's good. I really like that. Brew more of that. That's a fucking good beer. It's thumbs up from me. Nice one.
Hey, hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, feel the rush. Ride with the motion, keep this fire.